Hello YouTube, today this is USB-C repair. Now here, power jack repair. USB-C repair is when we replace the USB-C connectors, and power jack repair is when we replace the power jacks right here, regular jacks. So the prices are different. So this repair is gonna be this guy right there, not that guy right there. So this is a Acer Aspire. It could be a whole bunch of one of the models 3 or 5, a514, a317, a514, a515, a315, a v515 vero, Acer Aspire vero or something. I just couldn't get the exact model of the laptop. I got the board, and the board online shows up as different makes and models. So again, if you need to replace this connector right here, the power connector, the regular round shape, it's powerjackrepair.org. If you need to replace the USB-C, it's a different pricing. It just takes a lot longer for me to work on USB Type-C, and the success rates are not that great. Here USB Type-C looks great. I want to test it to make sure it's not the USB Type-C that the client sent it to me for. He basically said he dropped it and it's no longer works. So let's see if we test the most common rails. Now the USB Type-C looks good to me. Yeah, there is no issue with the USB Type-C. Hopefully there is an issue with this guy. Otherwise, we always refund the money if the laptop doesn't work or if the client isn't happy. Let's see. And this guy also conducts the electricity to me, but could be something else inside the connector that's faulty. Maybe under load, the pin in the back does not conduct the electricity well. So let me remove this guy, put this guy on, put this connector on, and show you how to do that. Alrighty, so here we have, let's add some light, the equation. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some solder to the connections. The leaded base solder gonna penetrate and mix with the silver base solder. And once silver base solder mixes with the leaded base solder, it's gonna drop the melting temperature of the solder, and I would be able to drop this connector off the motherboard easily. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, not too much hot air, just a little bit. Alright. Alright. I was able to drop it off the motherboard. Alrighty. Now what we're gonna do is put some support underneath it. And, ooh, where are you at here? Good job. Right, the goal is I need to make sure that every single one of those pads is empty. Let's try one more time. This solder gonna get mixed a little bit better here. All right, let's take this guy off. Good job. All right, so all of them are nice and clean. We're gonna put the new connector right here. Well, let me show you. Where's the old connector at? Here. Let me show you. All right, so this is how the connector looks like. Those are the pins, they're all identical. All right. Ooh, I see the problem. Yeah. Okay, so if you look inside of the old connector, which is on the bottom, you will see that the spring right there. So this is the center pin, that's the plus, all right? And that right there is a minus in the new connector. You see this little knob, this little spring right there, and this spring right here? So that spring and that spring on the side, and that spring and this spring are the minuses. And here we see that there is no spring here. I mean, it's there, but it's probably not going to be touching by the outside of the plug, and we don't have anything here, it seems like. This guy is pushed all the way to the right, and there's nothing on the left. So yeah, it's the connector issue. So the pin is intact here, but the 4 springs, I hope this is the, yeah, right there is much better view. So you see 4 springs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All those springs are missing. All right. All right, so we got the little bit on the front here. All right. And we got some stuff here. Let's see if it's... I think I could pick it up from the other side. Let's see if we got something on the other side. Do we have something on the other side? Yeah, let me pick up a little bit here. All right, let's add some more flux here and there. Come on. I need them to be as nice and clear as those guys here. And they are not. Let's do again. Fill up the whole thing with the unleaded base solder so that everything would mix up there. So that everything would mix here. Now let's try and desolder everything. You see? Nice and clean. Right, let's do the same thing here. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job. All right, so in order to properly solder it, I want to put some solder on top of the board as well as on the bottom. Not the solder, the flux. All right, and we're gonna put the new connector in place. That's a brand new connector. That's the old connector here. All right. Don't want to be accused of anything. So here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's do. Usually it's done easier. It's just the camera is on the way and I have to kind of position everything so that you guys would see it. Beautiful. Beautiful job. All right, let's see. The board is bent from the fall, it seems like. Yeah, the board is bent from the fall. Let me see this guy. Where's the old connector at? Okay. Well, what can I do? Let's solder in the back as well. Beautiful. Good job. Now let's inspect it. Oh, you know what? Let's first clean it. All right. All right. All right, so we cleaned it. Let's brush. All right, voila. Voila. All right. And let's dry it with the lint-free cloth. And let's inspect it on the Microsoft to make, not Microsoft, on the microscope. To make sure that everything is peachy. Lint-free cloth when it gets ripped. All right, looks something like that. As you can see, brand new connector. All the springs are about springed up. Let's see here. Beautiful. Looks amazing to me. Slightly at an angle, but it's gonna be all right. All right. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and you guys take care and have a good day. Thanks. Bye. Well, not so fast. Let's see. Before I finish the video, I need to double check that the current is gonna go through the motherboard. Here, let's see. All right, the plus is fine. Goes through the motherboard. The minuses are fine. Let's see on this side. My understanding this is the where the plus is supposed to arrive to. So from here we measure it from here to here, and we get here. From here to here, we get the current through about to here. we get the current through, and it's not shorting. All right, so the current is supposed to go from here to here to here to here, then through this guy all the way here and right there. All right, so we got the MOSFET here, another MOSFET here, and then we come here. So technically should work. All right, and I will test it under the load as well, but it has to be done on a different floor because I don't seem to have the plug for this here on this floor. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and you guys take care and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.